Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla S Plus. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, keyless entry, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 16-inch steel wheels with covers, all-season tires, auto-off projector beam, LED low beam, daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong manual 4-cylinder with only 42,453 miles. Key fob trunk release, large brake lights, sleek badging, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row adjustable sport fabric trimmed bucket seating, cruise, auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a power outlet, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.